Hello friends, welcome to our channel, No Nuggets, a place where you will gain information through nuggets of knowledge. This is our Power BI series, your ultimate guide to becoming a data visualization and analysis expert. In this comprehensive series we will take you on a journey through the powerful world of Power BI. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, we have got you covered with step-by-step tutorials, real-world scenarios and hands-on examples. Throughout the series, we will use Power BI Desktop. In video 1, we will learn how to input data, perform data transformations, and create stunning visualizations using Power BI Desktop. Harness the potential of your data from insightful analysis. In video 2, we will uncover the secrets of data modeling and relationships. Connect multiple tables, create calculated columns, and unleash the true power of data relationships. In video 3, we will dive into the world of interactive visualizations. Learn to clear dynamic dashboards, slicers, and drill through actions to explore data like never before. In video 4 we will step up our analysis game with advanced analytics. From DAX formulas to time intelligence and predictive analytics, discover how to gain people insights from our data. In video 5, we will empower our team with data-driven decision-making. Learn to share, collaborate, and co-author reports and dashboard using Power BI service. Don't miss out on any of these valuable videos that will take your Power BI skills to new heights. Subscribe now and join us on this exciting Power BI journey. Like and share the series with your fellow data enthusiasts. Let's excel in the world of data together.